back at the unit very quickly because I've got loads to do today. The plan is to weld up the holes in the inner wing. I'm going to add a plate in here because I'm going to put a shock mount there, and it's pretty flimsy metal, so I'm going to thicken the metal up. Then I'll be sorting the bits of rust down there for some rust converter, trying to clear it all up, and then we'll be greasing the other side and hopefully painting it. So I'm going to crack on and get it done. The wet pack's died. Need to fix it. Just a broken wire. I'm going to bodge it. Here I am. Got a soldering iron. Just shoved the copper wire in there for now. Just to sort us out for today, and then I'll get it replaced. I'm using a value pack from Rustbuster to do the undercoat on the chassis. It comes with a degreaser, comes with some salt remover, which I probably didn't need because it's down to bare metal, but I used it anyway, and the rust converter. I've just applied the rust converter, and next I'll be doing a stripe coating. It is the next day, and I haven't recorded a single thing because I've been busy getting some seam sealer on. It's not really much to record, to be honest, but I'm really happy with how this is going. I've got more target seal on me. So yeah, it needs another coat, which we'll do next weekend, to go over the seam sealer and get the tunnel, get a good coating on the tunnel. But apart from that, that's all I've really done today. It's hot, I'm tired, and now I've got to go to work for another week. So next weekend, the plan is to put the other coat on first thing Saturday morning, and then I don't know, I think it's probably a good idea to just go out and enjoy the sun. Wait for the coat to dry. And then I'm hoping that we can get the car off the rotisserie, because we've got like 3 days now until we've got to get the car out. Like 3 weekend days, which isn't a lot at all, so. But yeah, apart from that, I'm really happy with how it's gone. Just shattered. You done?
Trying to fix my leg.
What's wrong with it? Oh dear. So yeah, I think that's us done for the weekend. And then come back next week, sort that out, and then start packing up, ready to move to the new unit. It is a Thursday. It's not a Thursday. Why did I say it was a Thursday? It's Tuesday night. I am extremely tired, but we got a little help with us today. And so basically, I've had to come here because it's very hot, and I need to put another coat on this before it cures. So that's what we're doing. And Aiden's helping me today. So yeah, we'll crack on with that and update you afterwards, I guess. I really can't be bothered, I'm so tired. But we've literally got, what, this weekend come in, we're busy, and then the weekend after is when we're moving, so we haven't got much time. And this needs to be on its wheels with the front suspension on, the air ride on, the rear axle on, the wheels on, and the air ride kind of connected so we can jack it up to be able to be towed. And this is its current state, so that'll be interesting to get it done. It will get done, it has to be done. We've pretty much got no choice, but it's not looking great, but there'll be a way. So come on mate, I've got work to do. I'm trying to put some rust converter on, and there's some whatever the hell it is, Hornet. Oh my god, it's massive. Look at it. It's about 2 inches long. Come on, get out. Please come out. Come on. Got stuff to do. I'm so hot, but it's done. Look at that. Alright, time to go and go to bed. Fair play for waiting. Thank you for waiting. She had to stay outside because obviously I'd give her what's the word? Solvent poisoning. Solvent abuse. But it's all done now.
You got yellow all over your you've got yellow all over your bum. Please don't get that in my car. You need something to sit on.
Oh no. That's a handprint.
Well, I've not got yellow in here. So if you've got
Off.
right arms.
Yeah, scratching my bum. Right, let's go home.
Don't sit in my don't.
Well, get me something to put down then.
You do it. I'm really glad I saw it before you sat down.
God, look at them curls. Thank you for the help.
Goodness me.
Thank you for the help. Let's go home and go to bed. What's the time?
I don't know,
9 o'clock.
but I know I'm ready for bed.
I'm ready for bed. Right, so I'm gonna try and get another school night in. Maybe Thursday.
Friday.
Friday. Alright, cool.
Do it Friday.
Alright, and see you Friday, guys.